Hi, I'm Kate. Today I will introduce to you how to recover deleted or lost data from iPhone, iPad, iPod. Whether it is accidentally deleted, lost, hidden, or damaged data, iData by Phone Data Recovery will always allow you to easily retrieve lost data. Next, let's show you the simple operation steps of this tool. Step 1. Download and install iData by Phone Data Recovery on your computer. Choose iPhone Data Recovery and select Recovery from iOS devices. Choose the first mode and connect your iPhone to computer with USB cable. Step 2. After the iPhone connected, please click the Start icon to scan your iPhone. When the Start scanning finished, you can see all the data saved in your iPhone. Step 3. Choose the data you need to recover in the left list and click Recover button. That's all. It's that simple. You can be a data recovery master. This is the method I introduced to you on how to recover deleted data from iPhone, iPad, iPod. If you find it helpful, you can download and install our iPhone Data Recovery tool for free from our official website behind me. Thank you for watching and see you next time.